Combination containers are one of the easiest ways to enjoy seasonal color. Let's take a look at some that will be sure to inspire your own gardens and landscapes. One of the best design features to use in container gardening is using a variety of containers. The red Dipladenia immediately grabs your attention in this group of containers. Dipladenia resembles climbing mandevilla, but maintains a shrubby growth habit that is perfect for containers. Orange Profusion Zinnia and Archangel Angelonia provide a nice balance of color for the other side of this arrangement. And filling the middle of this container planting are two interesting ferns. Asparagus fern has stems that are full of lush, linear, needle-like foliage. And foxtail fern also has needle-like foliage and tight, bushy spires. The grouping of combination containers by the carport arches is brilliant and has a thriller, filler, and spiller theme. The thriller is the dark green English ivy. The filler plants are composed of a variety of colorful plants. I love the bright contrasting yellow, green, and red colors of the coleus. And for flower color, the pink and magenta flowers of sun patience are hard to beat. The spiller plants are equally brilliant. The caladium with green borders, red veins, and pink center spilling over the edge is pretty. And who doesn't like to see the chartreuse sweet potato vine spattering out to the pavement? Creating a combination container is as simple as choosing plants you like and planting them together in a pretty container. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I hope you'll join me next time on Southern Gardening.